You said a fire alarm. You mean fire alarm?
Fire. Let me say car alarm. Not fire.
You said fire alarm.
I meant to say car. These fireworks over here sound of car alarms.
Dang. Turn that junk off.
Look at those look funny. I'm surprised I don't have the ones with the little shingle things that make the little shingle noise, right?
Oh, that made me jump right there.
Look at that. Look at those little things like that.
No, it ain't nothing. Oh, that looks sweet right there.
Yeah, I don't know what that was supposed to be something.
I remember one time I went to fireworks.
Yeah.
No, I remember one time I went to the fireworks show and I went to see the fireworks. It was a firework in the shape of a heart, mommy. That's when I was with Tracy though. We was watching them. It was a firework in the shape of a star. That was sweet.
You said heart.
Yeah, heart.
Then you said star.
I said hearts. And there was one of a peace sign.
Oh, peace sign.
Yeah, it was a firework in the shape of a peace sign too. It was sweet.
Oh, that's what's that doing that now?
They're already pumping their own.
Ah.
Who's that screaming?
I don't know. I gotta say.
No.
I can sit down.
That was a big little tooth stump right there. Look at that.
No. What the heck you doing to her?
I don't know. I just got my phone.
I don't know.
Oh, we pulled my car. He's bending it all up. That's how the other one got messed up. Somebody's bending it. Look at that one. Look how those came out. Look at that. Look at that.
No, that ain't even going to the sky. That's just
Look
lame.
at that.
That's lame.
Yeah, I like that.
Who's that screaming to my Jesus hello?
Oh, look at them. Look at them. This must be the grand finale. These like little vampires flying out or something. Huh?
Vampires?
Look at them.
You talking about vampires just flying out of the sky or something? What the
Look how they
heck is going? These could sound like it's like stars.
This must be the grand finale.
They have to be.
Yeah. Don't worry about it.